Okay guys, so today we're going to go over square root property, and square root property is very simple. It's x squared equals n. If you have this, then you have square root property, where you can turn x to equal positive or minus square root of n. Okay, so let me give you an example of a problem we're going to do. Let's go ahead and do a plus 4 squared equals 49. Now here, with any of the things we've learned so far, we're really stuck. We can't really do anything. So the only thing we really can do is get rid of this square. Now if you notice, 49 can be square rooted. And you can also square root this. In order to get rid of a square, we need to use this opposite. The same way if we get rid of a positive, we use a negative. The opposite of a square is a square root. So if I square root a square, it actually cancels each other out. Okay? And what I do to one side, I have to do, of course, to the other. Now this comes down as just a plus 4, which is pretty easy. But this square root of 49 is a little more complicated than usual. Because a lot of you might say that the square root of 49 is 7. And you're absolutely true, because 7 times 7 is 49. But now we know that there's actually two square roots, 7 and negative 7. Because negative 7 times negative 7 is also 49. So you actually have to include a positive negative sign right there. So the positive negative square root of 49 is positive negative 7. So from here, all we have to do is solve for a, which is pretty easy. Subtract 4 from both sides, and we have a equals negative 4 plus or minus 7. Now here, once again, we get stuck. Because negative 4, do we add it to 7, or do we subtract it for 7? The correct answer is both. You're going to have two answers. So I like to branch off like this. I like to do the positive over here, and then the negative over here. So I have a equals negative 4, and for this one I'm going to use the plus 7. And over here I'm going to have a minus equals negative 4, and I'm going to use the negative 7 over here. So what I have is 7 minus 4, which is a equals 3. And right here I have negative 4 minus 7, which I have a equals negative 11. So what I have is my solution set, which is negative 11 and 3. And that's your answer.